Stomach ulcers are open sores within the lining of the stomach. They are a type of peptic ulcer, meaning having to do with acid. Because of the amount of acid present in the stomach and the damage that can occur, they are often extremely painful. The most common cause of stomach ulcers is the bacterium Helicobacter pylori. Ulcers may also be caused by overuse of painkillers, such as aspirin and other nonsteroidal anti-inflammatories such as ibuprofen naproxen. Stomach ulcers are treated with antibiotics and medications to reduce and block stomach acid. In addition to this well-proven treatment plan, research has shown that there are also some natural home remedies that may be useful in managing a stomach ulcer. The proof is in the recipe that you'll learn now. Ingredients: 1 medium sweet potato, 600 milliliters of filtered water. Instructions: peel and cut the sweet potato, placing the pieces in a bowl with a little water so they don't change colors. Put the pieces of sweet potato in the blender with 600 milliliters of water. Blend well. Strain the mixture with a cloth or kitchen strainer. Using clean hands, make sure that you strain the mixture completely. All of the liquid should be in the bowl. Allow it to sit for 2 hours. Now you've got the liquid and at the bottom of the bowl, the solid contents, that is the pulp of the sweet potato. Pour out the liquid so that you've got only the pulp that's at the bottom of the bowl. If you're doing this on a bright, sunny day, let the pulp dry in the sun. If not, put it in the pantry so it will dry. If you choose the second option, it will take a little longer to dry out. Whenever it's completely dry, break it up, mixing it well, and put it in a clean, dry glass jar to sit. How do you use it? It's easy. After it's completely dry, dissolve a teaspoon of sweet potato powder in 200 milliliters of water. Stir it well. Drink a cup of it before breakfast in the morning, before lunch, and one more after dinner. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.